Hello and welcome to our capitalization part 1, page 96 lesson. On this page there are 3 capitalization rules to know. The first word of a sentence always needs to be capitalized. So do names of people and pets, and so do names of streets, cities, and countries. Here are some examples. The first rule, that the first word of a sentence always needs to be capitalized, can be seen in the following 2 sentences. The flowers bloomed. You can see at the top here that our T in the is capitalized, and I'm going to give it this mark so you can tell that that word should be capitalized. Those 3 lines indicate that something should be capitalized. One more example is in we ran to the park, the W in we should be capitalized. The second rule shows that names of people and pets should also always be capitalized. For example, we have Mrs. Kewen. We have Annie. We have Patrick. And we have Sadie, the dog. Lastly, we need to remember that all names of streets, cities, and countries should be capitalized. For streets, we might be familiar with West Hardy's Road, where Aquinas Academy is. Or we might be familiar, hopefully, with Pittsburgh. Or the United States. So even if any of these streets, cities, or countries have several different words within them, the first letter always needs to be capitalized. And that is even including the R in road. That would be the same if it was a lane, an avenue, a way. That would always have a capital first letter as well.